This is my brother, and my brother loves toys, especially plane toys. So today, I have prepared him something that he likes. 예준아, look at this! I have prepared this for you!
Get you.
Brother, let's open it!
Okay.
So today, I have prepared him a new plane toy, just for him! Brother, do you like it?
Yes.
My brother has so many airplane toys. He must like planes so much. Brother, do you want to go to a place where there's so many airplane toys?
Let's go.
Let's go. Friends, can you guess where we came now? Yeah, we came to a place where there's so many airplane toys. My brother likes it so much. Whoa, this is it. I want to buy this.
Wow, so cool.
After we bought what we like, we came home and decided to build it. Brother, let's make it together. Wow, this must be the manual. Let's follow it and create it together.
Let's go. Chicago.
My propeller is finished. And also, my main wing is finished. I have also finished my plane's rear wing. I'm gonna put this paper on the wing, which acts like a real wing. 와, 다 됐다! 우와. 예성아, let's go outside and test it out.
Brother, let's go.
Three, two, one.
Whoa.
Wow, very fun. Brother, since you're so likable about planes, let's go to a plane museum.
Wow, okay.
We are now heading to the plane museum to see some planes across history. Let's go and have some fun. Wow, this plane is called a private jet. It's much smaller than those public planes. Wow, it's a big, very big plane engine. Wow.
우와 진짜 크다.
It's fascinating of how engines can help us fly across the world.
이 엔진이 하늘을 날 수 있게 해주는 거야.
Brother, let's go.
We have now arrived at the entrance of the National Aviation Museum of Korea. This is a place where we can see multiple planes. Me and my brother are so excited. Now we are going inside the museum. Everybody come follow me.
와 예성아 여기 비행기 와봐. 우와.
Wow, friends, do you know what this is? It's a plane that can land in water and land like this. Ah! Wow, this plane looks like a fighter jet, but it's mostly used in air shows. It's so big and it has the color yellow and black. Friends, let's check out how this jet does during the air show performance. We are now going to the cockpit and check out what controls they have in there.
뭐가 보여?
Wow, the cockpit of the fighter jet looks so interesting. Wow. All these planes are miniature-sized planes throughout history. Wow, there's so many planes. I want to buy them all. In the first row, they have the modern and advanced technology, while in the second row, they have jet engine used airplanes, and in the last row, they have old planes from years ago. Everyone, now that is what a propeller engine looks like, and this is an actual propeller. Do you know what this metal round thing is? This engine and plane body is mostly used during the modern times. Wow, it's really huge. Wow, there are so many metal stuff to power up a plane engine. Wow, all these metal parts can help us fly across the world. Wow, there are so many antique stuff from the history of aviation, from clothes and toys and hats.
Cool!
Let's check out more miniaturized plane toys. Wow, they have so many more than last time. Wow.
우와, 많다.
They even have a bigger fighter jet. Oh my god. Wow, friends, would you look at that? Those planes are stuck to the ceiling as if they're flying. Wow. This is what the inside of the plane looks like. The top is where we sit, and the bottom is where the cargo holds. Wow, brother, would you look at that? That window looks very realistic, which feels like I'm really flying. Wow. Wow, this is a small scale of what our airport looks like. It feels so realistic. It even shows the layer of our airport. Wow, this is so cool. Friends, when you go to an airport, you may see signs like this, which you may already know. When you first go into an airport, you may pass through the immigration. After you pass the immigration, you may check out the duty-free shop. After the duty-free shop, you may wait for you at the international departures. Meanwhile, while you're waiting for your plane, you might wonder, where's your baggage at? The process starts of when your baggage goes on a conveyor belt. The plane takes off. Wow, look at those clouds. Those clouds look so blue and white. They even have a realistic screen. Wow, it feels like I'm really flying. Today, me and my brother had fun experiencing and learning the different types of aviation. Friends, did you have fun? My brother decided to check out the toys in the souvenir shop. There's so many things to buy, I can't choose. Fun question. If you friends were here in the souvenir shop, what would you buy?